Another beautiful day in Vegas. It's a little windy today. We're coming off some rainstorms, but I'm back here in this shop at Jesse's, and would you look at this thing? So if you guys didn't know, this thing was stolen recently. Oh, and here's the man himself.
I've been looking at it
Every day? Just keeping it right.
Actually, I don't, I just block it. So look what we got today.
What is this? What is this? Where'd this come from?
600 LT. You know I don't like McLarens, but this 600 LT came in, I was like, jeez.
I saw it pull up in the front, and I was like, oh, that's a nice color.
This car, it's so sick. Like, it looks different than the 5-seater. Obviously, the front bumper's different because the 5-seater is like 3 pieces. It's a side panel piece. This one is smaller. It's an insert and the lower section. This is all one piece. This whole lower bumper looks like it's one piece.
Yeah.
And it's nasty.
It's clean.
Bro, this car, it almost makes me want to like...
Don't say it. Don't say it.
Oh, I want to buy one.
Oh,
Dude, like, I would actually save some money and buy one.
He said it.
But, you know, I'm only talking because I'm not driving every day.
Right.
But if you think about it, maybe if we drove it personally, it might not be that bad.
Well, I mean, what's he getting done to it?
No, I'm just kidding myself. It's probably going to break anyway. Actually, he already told me something happened to it. It's only 343 miles, and he got stuck. He couldn't drive the car, couldn't turn the car on, no nothing. They had to send somebody out, software, reset it to get him started go again. 343 miles. But, on the other hand, it's a very sexy car.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
So, we're going to hook him up with an exhaust system today. And we all know the 600 LT is known for shooting flames. So, we're going to give it to him.
We're going to give it to him.
Today, it's going to happen, and hopefully it doesn't take us too long.
I don't think it will. No, Jesse, where's your cape?
Cape?
Your cape.
I gotta get a little bigger first. I was more impressed with this than when we first saw the 720. 720 was really cool, but when I saw this car, I was like, geez, this car it's pretty dope. And it's a customer car, not our car, so, you know, fender liners, looking inside, you know, we got all the goodies in there, making sure, you know, we're taking care of our customer cars, plus complimentary car wash when this car gets done. You know how we do it around here. But this car is getting some exhaust work done. 5-series is a very simple car, for the most part, taking panels off, and I believe 600 LT is gonna be the same. So I already kind of took this panel off right here. It's using little twist screws, so it comes off. You got screws here that I already did, and I think that should come off. We'll see right now. I believe you pull here. Yeah. Whoa, that wasn't really on tight, huh? Maybe I guess when this comes undone, I don't know. And I think we pull. Yep. So half the work's done already. One piece.
For those of you who have not seen the 600 LT exhaust without the cover on it, this is how it looks. Engine bay. Now Jesse, this is for sure my favorite McLaren.
Yeah.
That McLaren's made.
I agree.
Comment section, yes or no, favorite McLaren has made.
This is exhaust here, the stock exhaust right here is very similar to the 650. So when they first introduced the exit exhaust coming up top, I didn't really realize, I thought it was gonna be a lot more different, but then now that I'm seeing it like this, the 650S exhaust is very similar to this, and it just exits right here. So pretty much all they did was just angle the pipes up, made it come out, obviously made it look a lot cooler, but it's not much to this. So I could probably move the exhaust to get those downpipes very easy. And a couple bolts holding these heat shields on, 2 here, probably a couple up there, and that's it, man. This is gonna be pretty smooth. But the problem is you gotta be technical and a little bit slower so you don't damage anything, so you can't rush anything. We'll get it done. The OEM cats, okay? And this is our Riff system we have here. I did put the OEM heat shields on already because I was just, you know, trying to see how everything works and I'll make sure everything's good. So normally our Riff plays right here. I guess I can take it off if you guys want to see it, but I'm probably not going to because it's less time for me. But if you look, we put all our OEM locations for the O2 sensors in the OEM spot. I've seen other DCATs and other exhaust systems where they relocate it for some reason. I don't know why, because the OEM location works. But we don't do that. Everything stays stock in the same place and everything bolts up like OEM. These fit exactly like the OEM DCAT or the OEM cats fit. So if you want to buy the Riff stuff, it's OEM fitment. I know because I did the engineering behind the fitment, so it works. But as you can tell, these are pretty heavy. I didn't show you guys taking it all the way out because when you take the cats out of the car, you have to disassemble the lower half heat shield. You can't pull it out with the heat shields on. So it was actually, sometimes it's like a hit and miss. Sometimes the heat shields just fall right out when you take them apart. Sometimes you have to fight it. And I got a battery one here, I'll show you. Got me pretty good yesterday and it went in pretty deep. It had to put a lot of pressure in. I just used super glue.
Damn, you must have been in that. You know? You must have been in that fight for the Game of Thrones the other day.
Right, I got slashed pretty good. It was bleeding good. I had to actually stop. Usually I don't do anything, but if it doesn't stop, you know, put some crazy glue on there, it'll be all right. But anyway, see, gloves rip. But this is gonna go in today. I got the bottom half of the heat shields already. I'm gonna slide the cats in, or the D-cats, and then we'll assemble everything and we should be good to go. Just real quick, the reason why I didn't give you guys a full process because I didn't want to really film everything on a customer's car. We're just going to show you the product that we're using, a little bit of the car, and yes, we got permission, but I just don't feel comfortable putting customers' cars everywhere on the vlog. So I'm just showing what's going in, and we'll give you guys a final product on how it sounds and when it's done. So as you guys can see, the car is done, looking fine. I can't wait to turn this car on. I don't know, man. Are you excited? Mario? No? Maybe? Yes? Okay, I guess yes. So let's get in the car. Alright, this is the moment of truth. We're gonna rev it and let us see how this beauty sounds. I think that's one of the best upgrades you can do for this car.
That was the greatest.
It sounds so crazy.
That was by far the greatest exhaust I've ever heard.
This tops a 720.
Dude,
sure.
that was the best thing I've ever heard.
You really can hear those turbos spool up.
Dude.
Oh man.
Oh my goodness. Job well done, Jesse, as always. Royalty Service Center, guys, now open for business. Rift exhaust, now selling.
Make it happen.
See you in the next one.